Today, got something pretty cool here. This is the Insane Audio JK2001 model head unit for the JK Wrangler. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I also have the iCam 1 and iCam 2 to show you what they look like. And then later on we'll be doing a install on this, and then some little projects afterwards. So do a quick unboxing here and show you what we've got. Are you ready to rock your rig? Have congratulations and a little link to their installation, which is online. Support, which I've talked to these guys, they have phenomenal support. They're super fast to get back to you and really friendly and helpful. So we've got the goodie bag, which has the I believe GPS antenna in it, all your wiring, and then it has the interface to plug into the factory harness and to retain your steering wheel controls. You've got your factory harness right here, and then there's the interface. Oops, flip that around here. This is the interface that they use to interface with the Jeep. All your RCA and video cables. And I like this. Everything, I just should note here, everything is labeled. Every one of them has a label on it. They got a couple stickers that come along with it. This is the module that plugs into your OBD2 reader to send all your codes to your head unit. USB male, USB female, so it's extension. For you older iPhone users, this looks like iPhone plugs straight in. I think that's the older iPhones. There's our, I believe, GPS antenna. And then I think this is the Wi-Fi antenna that plugs into the back. Again, this one's packaged real nice as well. Nice high density foam to keep it from bouncing around. And there is our head unit. Let me get this out of the package here to kind of take a better look at it. We got it taped here. Right across the top. All right, so this is our head unit. It's a double DIN front, but actually it's only single DIN rear, which is kind of cool. Actually, give me a little more space in there. Full wiring schematic on top, which is actually pretty nice. And then your rear hookups, 2 USB ins, your main power plug. I'm not sure yet what these are for. Antenna, GPS. We'll get into that in the install a little bit. But there it is, the Insane Audio JK2001. I'm excited to get this in there and play around with it. It's one of the coolest units. I did a lot of research trying to find one that I wanted to put in here, and this one is it. And so far, I'm pretty impressed. So. Stay tuned for an install on it.